Right, I'm going to show you today how to make the Workmate 536 from Black & Decker, because these instructions are absolutely awful. Looked at a few other videos on YouTube and they're just as awful in some cases. As you can see here straight away, it gives you indications of, item A and C and B, and that's lovely. However, the items are not lettered or numbered in any way on the instructions, so let's just fling them out. Okay, so here we have most of the parts here. Some of them are down there on the floor. What I was getting really confused with is, as I say, the instructions are really not very good on this thing. So what I was getting confused with is which way round the woods go up first, and then after a few attempts I worked it out, and that is just simply make sure, of course, that one is at the front, and then your inset here is pointing downwards basically. Of course that's that way, and of course the ones on the back exactly the same. So you've got this indentation here that should be facing up. Okay, first things first, get your plastics, get your rod, put your plastics on there about just about a quarter of the way in sort of thing. Poke that through. I'm just going to angle my camera. Poke one through there, like so. And now these are the confusing bits on these plastics as well. Okay, you'll have two which have got this circle here. Now these, the camera keeps going off, these go in here, so that way up. So it looks like they're upside down, they're not, they're the correct way up. So that one there, they shouldn't move. Okay, and then these two, these also go what looks like upside down, with that bit facing to the front. Okay, so the raised part there faced to the front. Okay, get your Workmate, pop that one through the hole just there, that one through the hole just there. So they're now loose, okay? And we don't need to worry about the other one just yet. And with your bolts that you've got supplied, you want to line, I'll angle that camera again, line this one up here, so it lines up with that lock there. I apologise that the video possibly isn't very good because it's on a chest cam and it's a GoPro and I can't see what it's showing. So, get that back over there. This bolt through the inset hole there. As you can see here, I'll angle the camera again. Apologies again for the poor quality. Through the hole there. And into the hole there. Slightly tighten that one up and that'll hold the rod in place. Do the same on this side. You've got the hole, well, I help put the bar in first. Now you also get this little handy dandy tool, which is just to tighten up your bolts. So tighten them up. Don't knock the other thing off. Back in there. Again, you want the inset facing upwards. Find that one up there. Up there. Get your next two bolts. And then all you've got to do then is attach your handles. So that obviously pushes in there. Give it a bit of a squeeze, watch your fingers. click that in, and then with the rods here, you've got to push that on there, and then you get a couple of cotter pins which go in there, and you tap them in with a hammer. I won't do that right now. Same on this side. And then when you've done that, you can simply attach these to the top, like so. And that's because I've not put the cotter pin on. And of course, you are good to go. I hope that's been helpful. Like I say, it's making sure that everything's upside down on the blacks underneath, and then make sure the insets are facing upwards, and then you'll be fine. Hope this has been useful, guys. See you soon.